A for apple. A P P L E. Apple. Aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Alligator. A L L I G A T O R. Alligator. Ant. A N T. Ant. Tortoise drill. Speak more words that begin with letter A. Let them pronounce the words repeatedly so as to understand the sound of A or A. Tell them about the objects in picture. B. B for boy. B O Y. Boy. Bag. B A G. Bag. Bird. B I R D. Bird. Ball. B A L L. Ball. Tortoise drill. Place some B paper shapes and pictures of objects that begin with B, like ball, banana, butterfly, etc. on the floor. Ask the children to bounce from one picture to another. As they bounce, ask them, can you match the letter B with an object that starts with the sound B? C. C for cat. C A T. Cat. Cap. C A P. Cap. Cake. C A K E. Cake. Carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. Tortoise drill. Let the children play. Who will bell the cat? One child will wear a mask of a cat and others of mice. The cat will sit at a distance and the mice will discuss the problem. As they are busy, the cat comes and all the mice try to hide in corners. D. D for dog. D O G. Dog. Duck. D U C K. Duck. Diamond. D I A M O N D. Diamond. Doll. D O L L. Doll. Tortoise drill. Show the pictures of animals or things that begin with letter D, such as dog, drum, doll, dolphin, etc. Ask them their names. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Engine. E N G I N E. Engine. Egg. E G G. Egg. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. Tortoise drill. Make children write E on the ground of the playfield with the help of small sticks. Relate names of birds, animals, or things beginning with letter E, such as ear, eagle, engine, envelope, etc. F for F for fish. F I S H, fish. Flower. F L O W E R, flower. Frog. F R O G, frog. Fan. F A N, fan. Toddler's drill. Place paper fish with F objects, frog, fan, flower, in a pond on the floor. Ask children to swim like fish and pick up a fish with a F word. Then ask them, what F word did you find? Let them say the word aloud while emphasizing the F sound. G, G, G for girl. G, I, R, L, girl. Grapes. G, R, A, P, E, S, grapes. Goat. G, O, A, T, goat. Guava. G, U, A, V, A, guava. Toddler's drill. Ask one child to wear a grey gorilla mask on his face. Let him enact and behave like a gorilla. All the children will take their turns. The best performer shall be awarded. H, her. H for hen. H, E, N, hen. House. H, O, U, S, E, house. Hat. H, A, T, hat. Honey. H, O, N, E, Y, honey. Toddler's drill. Put some H paper shapes and some pictures of H beginning objects on the floor. Let children hop from one picture to another. Ask them to put together one letter and one picture. I, E. I for ice cream. I, C, E, C, R, E, A, M. Ice cream. Igloo. I, G, L, O, O. Igloo. Ink pot. I, N, K, P, O, T. Ink pot. Iron. I, R, O, N, iron. Toddler's drill. When a person talks about himself, he uses the word I. Put your hand on your chest and say I so that children understand what I means. J, J, J for joker. J, O, K, E, R, joker. Juice. J U I C E. Juice. Jelly. J E L L Y. Jelly. Jam. J A M. Jam. Toddler's drill. Talk to the children about jam, jar, juice, and ask what they like the most. Have they ever worn a jacket or traveled by a jeep? Help them to recall their memories. K, K, K for kite. K, I, T, E. Kite. Kettle. K, E, T, T, L, E. Kettle. Kangaroo. K, A, N, G, A, R, O. Kangaroo. Kiwi. K, I, W, I. Kiwi. Toddler's drill. Take children outside in the field and fly a kite. Let them have turn and ask them how they feel. Do they have to pull hard when the wind blows hard? Tell them the reason. L for lion. L I O N. Lion. Lamb. L A M P. Lamb. Ladybug. L A D Y B U G. Ladybug. Log. L O G. Log. Toddler's drill. Prepare lion mask in the class. Ask students to draw and mimic like a lion. Tell them that lion is the king of the jungle. Ask students to name some other words that start with letter L. M for monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Milk. M I L K. Milk. Mushroom. M U S H R O M. Mushroom. Mouse. M O U S E. Mouse. Toddler's drill. Speak some more words that begin with M, such as milk, mug, monkey, mouse, mango, etc. Let the children practice correct pronunciation and learn more new words. N for nest. N E S T. Nest. Net. N E T. Net. Notebook. N O T E B O K. Notebook. Nut. N U T. Nut. Toddler's drill. Explain to the children about the difference between nuts and dry fruits. Nuts are seeds of plants. Ask them if they have ever seen a nightingale. Tell them that it is a sweet singing small bird. O O. O for owl. O W L, owl. Onion. O N I O N, onion. Ox. O X, ox. Orange. O R A N G E, orange. Toddler's drill. Speak about the pictures shown. Tell them how an X pulls a cart and a plow. Why owls come out only at night. How onions are used in foods and vegetables. P for parrot. P A R R O T, parrot. Pineapple. P I N E A P P L E, pineapple. Penguin. P E N G U I N, penguin. Pigeon. P I G E O N, pigeon. Toddler's drill. Call all the children whose names start with letter P. Those children will have to speak one word with letter P. The remaining children will repeat after them. Q for queen. Q U E E N, queen. Question mark. Q U E S T I O N M A R K, question mark. Quilt. Q U I L T, quilt. Quail. Q U A I L, quail. Toddler's drill. Let one child pretend to be Q, who will walk around looking at other students in the class and choose one who is the quietest. The child chosen becomes Q. Let all children repeat the process. The last left will cry like a quail. R for rabbit. R A B B I T, rabbit. Rose. R O S E, rose. Ring. R I N G, ring. Rocket. R O C K E T, rocket. Toddler's drill. Ask the children to make a big R on the drawing sheet and let them use crayons of their choice to color it. Make them speak more words that begin with letter R. S for ship. S H I P, ship. Swan. S W A N, swan. Strawberry. S T R A W B E R R Y, strawberry. Sheep. S H E E P, ship. Toddler's drip. Make a large S on the floor with tape. Ask the children to take off their shoes first and then ask them to pretend to be swan on the letter S as slowly as swan. You may reward the best performer with sweets. T for tiger. T I G E R. Tiger. Tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Telephone. T E L E F O N E. Telephone. Tortoise. T O R T O I S E. Tortoise. Toddler's drill. Put some questions so that children will understand the difference between telephone and cell phone. Also, tell them tiger is our national animal. U for uniform. U N I F O R M. Uniform. Urn. U R N. Urn. Utensils. U T E N S I L S. Utensils. Umbrella. U M B R E L L A. Umbrella. Toddler's drill. Explain while putting utensils at different places. Put one up, then down, under your table and then above the table. Explain which is upper and which is lower. V for van. V A N van. Vase. V A S E vase. Vegetables. V E G E T A B L E S. Vegetables. Vulture. V U L T U R E. Vulture. Toddler's drill. Name one child onion, another tomato, potato, spinach, chili, carrot, radish, brinjal, pumpkin, and so on. Draw a large basket on the floor and ask all of them to sit on the basket in a jumbled manner. This is a vegetable basket. W for watermelon. W A T E R M E L O N. Watermelon. Watch. W A T C H. Watch. Wheel. W H E E L. Wheel. Wool. W O O L. Wool. Toddler's drill. Let the children act like wasps. Make them sit in a group like a wasp colony. Ask one child to throw a paper ball on it. The wasps will fly and sting the child. The child will pretend to feel pain and cry. X for Xmas tree. X M A S T R E E. X-Ministry. Xerox. X E R O X. Xerox. X-ray. X R A Y. X-ray. Xylophone. X Y L O P H O N E. Xylophone. Toddler's drill. Give some pieces of ribbon of different colors to all the children and ask them to make letter X with them on the floor in a straight line. Each child will jog on the X but not undo the shape. Reward the best performer. Y here, Y for yak. Y A K. Yak. Yacked. Y A C H T. Yacht. Yarn. Y A R N. Yarn. Yoga. Y O G A. Yoga. Toddler's drill. Practice simple yoga poses like flying bird and frog pose. Ask the children, how does focus help in yoga and life? Discuss how focus and Y word helps in staying calm and completing tasks. Z for zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Zero. Z E R O. Zero. Zip. Z I P. Zip. Zigzag. Z I G Z I G. Zigzag. Toddler's drill. Draw a long zigzag way on the floor. Ask children to walk on that way one after the other, making a cue. Teach them the correct pronunciation of the word zigzag. Read aloud as given in the example. Capital alphabet. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for igloo. J is for joker. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. S is for ship. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Write the missing letters. Capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U V W X Y Z. Small letters. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Three more words. A arm, abacus, aeroplane. B banana, balloon, bell. C car, candle, camera. D dolphin, deer, drum. E earth, eraser, emu. F fox, flower, frock. G gift, ginger, giraffe. H helicopter, hammer, horse. I inch tape, ice cube, insect. J jacket, jeans, jug. K knife, king, key. L leaf, log, lychee. M mat, monkey, moon. N nip, noodle, nurse. O octopus, ox, oil. P pot, pear, penguin. Q question mark, quilt, quarter. R robot, rope, raincoat. S squirrel, star, shoes. T tortoise, teddy bear, train. U unicorn, empire, universe. V violin, vest, volleyball. W well, wall, whistle. X X-ray, xylophone, Zemania. Y YouTube, yo-yo, yam. Z zoo, zebra crossing, xenia. Revise again and learn A to Z. Capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1. Vegetables. Pumpkin, lemon, brinjal, carrot, potato, tomato. Name any 5 vegetables. 2. Fruits. Apple, papaya, orange, mango, grapes, banana. Name any 5 fruits. 3. Birds. Hen, cock, parrot, pigeon, owl, crow. Name any 5 birds. 4. Animals. Cat, horse, lion, elephant, dog, monkey. Name any 5 animals. 5 classroom articles. Blackboard, dustbin, chalk, rubber, pencil, chair. Name any 5 classroom articles. 6 colors. Yellow, red, green, blue, white, black. Name any 5 colors. 7 parts of the body. Head, stomach, hand, finger, leg, toe. Neck, shoulder, elbow, thumb, knee, heel. 8 parts of the face. Eye, nose, cheek, teeth, hair, ear, lips, chin. Name any 10 body parts. I hope you enjoy learning.